Well, just a quick word from our sponsor, worldoflubricant.co.uk. Put the code dyno in at the checkout, save yourself a load of money. All these Hondas need oil, so you've got to make sure you've got a spare bit to top up. Check your oil every Saturday, that's a good rule of thumb. I should do that more often. But yeah, if you need to save money, if you need oil for your car, or any lubricants, gearbox oils and additives, go check out worldoflubricant.co.uk and stick dyno in as a code at the checkout. Save yourself some pence. Well, out on road test in an FK2 in Championship White after having some work completed. Let's see what we think. I bet the traffic's awful. Oh, well, Richard's currently trying to make me feel sick with some sort of little G meter in the middle of the dashboard. So, but it's a lovely place to be in here.
You obviously want to see how much it does, don't you?
I will throw up. It is a beautiful day. Lots of joggers out, Rich.
Seems to be, doesn't there? Must be the day for going for a jog when you ain't got a job.
Yeah, it's nice in here. What's that little thing there? That little gauge in the middle. I like that a lot. Looks like a target off Star Wars. Sounds nice. I think it wants a bit more of a throaty exhaust. I can't hear much exhaust tone from the standard exhaust.
Yeah, standard exhaust. There's no tone to it really.
What do you reckon? That's 2 and a quarter inch?
Yeah, probably 2 and a quarter. Yeah, maybe 2 and a quarter to be fair.
Red light.
Red light.
Quarter mile.
Go.
Go.
Quarter mile.
Well, Richard, it goes and it stops. So
It does go on stop.
Road test completed. I do like it, mate.
It's nice. I do like it myself. Maybe when we grow up we can have one, eh?
Nah. Well, we've just been out in this.
Got a bit of sunlight, eh?
There's a bit of sunlight out here. We've just been out in this fabulous FK2 in Championship White, and we've done some work to it today. It's had some preventative maintenance.
Yeah, I think preventative maintenance is probably the right word, ain't it? You know, obviously liaising with the customer and him looking at things that he wanted to sort out. So we've done oil and filter change, we've done coolant change, it's changed clips on the coolant hoses, which are quite common for breaking down.
So we're led to believe.
We've done a silicone hose that goes onto the throttle body. Again, is a rubber one originally, and apparently they're quite prone for cracking and obviously splitting.
So thank you, Dream Automotive.
So we've done that, and the boost solenoid on the back of the engine has almost like a little one-way check valve type. Is the best way I can describe it in there. Apparently they fail, and then you get surgery on boost and everything. But the FK8 just had basically a straight pipe there, so they Honda modified that. So we fitted the FK8 parts, and we modified that, and the wiring to the solenoid apparently is a little bit too tight, and obviously with engine movement it can pull and break the wires, so we've done the modification on that
So some
as well.
common failings on the FK2, and you know, a couple of hours later and you're sort of confident that the car is better for it.
Yeah, we did a radiator cap as well, obviously new coolant.
It drives lovely. It feels like, from a passenger point of view, you know, I was thinking, oh, maybe it'd be like a K20 turbo, you know, like an FN2 or an EP3. It's not.
No,
it's not like
it's
that.
a nice drive, that's for sure. You get a mid-range punch that you don't normally get, obviously, because you're not normally in instance of obviously they're NA, and they don't rev the same. So I don't know whether if you're a true Honda boy, the lack of revs would then, you know, annoy you. I don't know.
Sure.
It's one of them. But well, no, lovely car nonetheless.
I'm yet to own one, Richard, so I'm going to have to get some work done if I want to afford one.
Yeah,
of these.
I like the number on this one. Look, 00036, number 36 off the line.
Fantastic.
Which is great, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, I will. I'll show you the car. I'll take some photographs, and we'll put a YouTube video together. If you need your FK2, if you need these similar modifications, let us know.
FK2 or FK8.
Yeah, we've got a website full of parts for the FK2 and the FK8. We're developing at the moment a full 3-inch exhaust system for this vehicle, so that'll be in our Dynodaze news at some point in the near future, hopefully. Thank you, TypeR. Yeah, love it, love this car, and if you need parts, give us a shout.
Yeah, for sure.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.